Welcome to our training, Make Your Account More Secure. As a seller in the Amazon store, it's important that you keep your account protected and secure from fraudsters and hackers. You may have received or know someone who has received a phishing email, text, or suspicious phone call. Unfortunately, people sometimes click links in phishing emails or texts without checking their authenticity. They may unknowingly give away sensitive account information in the process, such as bank account or login credentials. But what is phishing? Phishing is a term for when someone uses email, phone calls, or other messages to trick recipients into giving away sensitive account information. One way this can occur is by sending a fraudulent message with a link that misleads the receiver into thinking it came from Amazon. This link will then direct the receiver to another website designed to capture sensitive account information. Fraudsters target sellers to try and capture confidential information such as usernames, passwords, bank account details, or other account information. These actors often trick sellers by faking sender or caller information. To make sure that your account is safe from fraudsters, it's advisable to check all emails and texts that you receive to make sure they're from a legitimate source. Also, always check for grammar and spelling errors because phishing texts and emails often contain these. Hover over an email's from address to check the domain name after the @ symbol. Amazon emails end either in @amazon.com or a variation of it based on a specific marketplace. For example, amazon.co.uk for the United Kingdom or amazon.com.au for Australia. Amazon will never send you security notifications via the buyer-seller messenger service. If you receive a suspicious email or text, don't download attachments. This may install malware on your computer. Also, make sure not to click links in suspicious emails or texts. These may redirect you to what looks like a legitimate sign-in page, but isn't. Signing into a fake Amazon website can give fraudsters access to your account information and credentials. They can then take control of your account and block your access to it. Always check the URL of a website's address before you enter sign-in information. Legitimate Amazon websites have a dot before Amazon.com. For example, Seller Central's website is sellercentral.amazon.com. To help ensure that your Amazon seller account remains secure, we recommend that you follow 6 best practices. 1. Enroll in two-step verification using your mobile number or authenticator app. For enhanced protection, update both the email address and mobile number on the sign-in and security pages for your Amazon selling account to be used for sign-in purposes. This can be done by going to Settings in Seller Central under Login and Security from the drop-down menu. 2. Make sure you aren't reusing your password for other accounts. 3. Make sure that the email address and mobile number you use for signing into your Amazon account, as well as for notification purposes, are up to date. 4. Ensure your security software is up to date. Many fraudsters exploit known vulnerabilities associated with old or out-of-date software. To thwart common attacks, ensure that all your systems have up-to-date patches. 5. Verify that emails and texts are legitimate and from a legitimate source. 6. Ensure that you set appropriate permissions when providing secondary account access to users. It's also important to remove users from your account who no longer need access, such as employees who have left your company. Beware of phishing. Remember, Amazon will not ask you to disclose sensitive information like your password, account number, or PIN by phone, email, or text message without you first taking action that requires verification. Submit this information only when completing an order on our website, registering to sell in the Amazon store, or updating account information in Seller Central. If you're ever in doubt about the authenticity of an email, visit our site directly by typing the address into your browser bar rather than clicking any links. Amazon takes the security of all accounts seriously. To report a security concern, go to amazon.com/security. To report a phishing email or text that you've received, email us at stop-spoofing@amazon.com. This concludes our training on making your account more secure. Thank you and happy selling in the Amazon store.